Welcome, G. Let's start. Today we are discussing one very common uh, uh, discussion point with respect to the Java language. Is a Java language is a platform independent language or what are the meanings? Sometime when the initial developer are learning Java, at that time they are confused. Ki what do you mean by platform independent? And Java have a basically three component JDK, JRE, JVM. So all are the platform independent. What do you mean by that? So if you go to the Java official document and Java basically have four, you can say three major component. First component your JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Second component your JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Fourth component your JDK, Java Development Kit. For building your application, for developing your application, you write your Java language as a Java language, and after that you compile your code using the JavaC compiler. Once your code is compiled, you get the bytecode, and this bytecode are run by your JVM. So as we know, JVM is a virtual machine which is responsible to run your program. Okay, so let's discuss in a simple way. If you are writing if you are writing a Java code, let's key, and whatever the Java code written is a plain English language, anyone can read and understood. And after that you need a compiler, Java C compiler. This Java C compiler come with the form of JDK. Okay, so you need a JDK. Okay, and whenever you compile this code, this is the byte code known as a dot class file, basically dot class file. So this code, whenever you are writing any Java code, as a Java language specification say, Java developer don't worry कि the code he is writing is going to run on which operating system. To complete this Java language, whatever the code you are writing, that is the platform independent. While writing a code, developer doesn't care ki which operating system this code going to run. Okay. The next part, whenever you are compiling your code, okay, Java generate one intermediate code known as a bytecode. This bytecode is also platform independent. Okay, this code, bytecode, can be run in any operating system. Let's talk about Windows operating system or Linux operating system or Solaris, CC or Mac, any operating system. Okay, so each operating system have own machine language. Actually, all operating system have a different machine language. Okay, some have a different byte buffer, some bit size and word size. So whenever you are writing your Java code at that time, developer doesn't care. But actually, your program, whatever you written inside your Java language, is run by a specific hardware known as a operating system. Maybe you are running your program in the Windows machine. That means your program is executed by your Windows OS. So your this byte code must be converted into the machine language so that your machine can understood. So that is the work done by the JVM. So we have to download OS specific JVM. If you want to run your program inside a Windows machine, you need a Windows JVM, or you need a Linux JVM, or you need a Solaris JVM, or you need a Mac JVM. So please be note, this JVM is a platform dependent code. Whenever you are going to download for running any application, we need a JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment contain standard library plus JVM. So all your JVM is a platform independent. You cannot say कि window 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 VM can work for the Linux VM. No, Linux VM can work for the Solaris. No. So in short, you can say the your JVM or JRE you have to download for a specific OS. If you want your program should run on the Linux machine, then you have to download Linux JRE, a JRE container JVM. So JRE a JVM is your platform dependent component for a specific demand. Let's say you are going to run your program in a Mac machine, so you need a Mac machine JVM. So this part before the execution part, while writing your code or compiling code, these are the platform independent. You can write code. This is the platform independent. After compiling, you are getting a bytecode. This bytecode you can run on Linux machine or Windows machine or Solaris machine. The condition is that you only need a specific Java virtual machine. If there is no any virtual machine, this bytecode cannot understood by your OS. So between the conversion of your bytecode can be converted to the Windows specific instruction so that Windows OS can understood. This is the responsibility of your JVM. So generally JVM have a one component compiler, maybe JIT compiler or interpreter. So generally they are interpret or compile your bytecode to machine specific instruction. So Linux JIT compiler or compile your bytecode into the Linux environment. Similarly, Mac compiler is compile your code for the Mac OS. So in short, we are trying to say whatever you are writing a source code or compiling code, bytecode, all are your platform independent. After that, when your program is going to run, you need platform specific JRE and JVM. So that is the platform dependent. Okay, this is the platform independent. So while writing a Java source code, developer doesn't care this code is running for only Mac OS or Linux OS or Windows OS. So please be ensure that after you compile code, this is also is a platform independent. This compile code can be run on any OS, maybe Windows OS, Linux OS, Mac OS. Only condition, this bytecode is not your understood by your Windows OS or Linux OS. For that, you need a JVM. JVM is kind of take input your bytecode as a Java bytecode and convert the specific machine language. Maybe for Linux instruction. For Mac instruction. Now your bytecode is run on a specific environment. So be clear, your Java source code is a platform independent, your compiled bytecode is a platform independent. But when you are going to run your program on any operating system, a specific operating system, you need a JRE, right? That is the very simple description. So hope it is clear. Whenever running any uh, code in your machine, your operating system can be Windows, Linux. This is the platform. Yeah, this is the machine you can say. For running your application, you need a JVM. Okay, JVM. Okay, a JVM is come in the form of your JRE. Okay, JRE, JRE. So you writing your source code and compiling bytecode, your source code and compile bytecode. These are the platform independent. After that, your JRE need a dependent platform specific JRE needed. So if you want to run your program on a Windows machine, you need a Windows JRE. A JRE contain your JVM so that your bytecode, this bytecode can be converted into the specific OS on which you are running. So be clear, source code is a platform independent, bytecode is a platform independent, but JRE you need to download from Oracle website for a specific OS on which you want to run your application. Hope this information helpful for you. From this note, I would like to say thank you for watching this video.